I have the latest range from Deliciu. I know you've seen it before. Wait. With their new flavor profiles. Deliciu.
Wow. Hey, wait, I've seen this before.
I know. They've got some new flavors.
Okay.
I thought we would run through it.
Can I address the elephant in the room before you run through what's new?
Look, I resent that. I've been on Weight Watchers.
Oh, I wasn't actually referring to the picture you sent when you were on holiday with the elephant. No, not that.
Oh.
It was more the fact that we've already covered them, and then we said no more e-liquid.
No more e-liquid. But
We've broken both rules.
I already had an inkling that these were going to come very soon, and there's only a few new ones, so
I'll forgive you
spoke
this
to
once.
Gene. I've got some pods. Gene's not happy about it
No,
either.
it's because you've still not paid back for that smutty film you got.
But I think you're going to like these. What I'll do, you don't have to watch the old video if you've got to this point and you go, oh, what? Just tell me all about it. I'll tell you all about it.
Tell me all about it.
Right. So drop down and take a look. So on the table, I've got a lineup of many of the e-liquids. Not all of the 20 flavors that were available at launch, but we have two groups of e-liquids. There's 15 mainstream flavors. In addition to that, there are 5 unique Deliciu fusions. This is a brand, this is one of the biggest brands to come out of China. They are also known as S'more, that's the parent company, and the brand Deliciu just launched with e-liquids and their own pod device, and this particular range is 10ml bottles, thickness of 50/50, so they're perfect for mouth to lung, all your pod devices, best used with a 0.6 to a 1.2 ohm coil. You'll find e-liquid strengths between 10 and 20 mg. I've got the 6 newest flavors from the lineup that we previously didn't manage to cover, including my favourite, which you should definitely try out, which is the Wild Apple Hawthorn. And it's a zesty mix of sweet and sour. So, AJ, what I'd urge you to do is... You've already done it, okay.
Sorry, go on, I stole your thunder. I just felt like I hadn't done anything for a minute.
Pop in a pod.
I popped in a pod.
And take a vape.
What's this called? The Vaporesso Cross 4 Mini Square X?
No. When you do cross.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Have we now breached our contract with Vaporesso?
It's the Cross 4 Nano, AJ.
There we go. Thanks. With a motorbike.
Yeah. So I've set it up with a motorbike because zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah. Right. So this is Wild Apple and Hawthorn.
Whoa.
You've got all the fullness of apple. If you're an apple lover, you've never had an apple like this. You've got that wild apple part.
Yes.
It's the zesty, wild taste of apple.
What is a Hawthorn?
Do you know?
Does anyone know?
I'm not too sure, because Hawthorn, in my recollection, was where you get the sloe berries off of.
Oh.
So
are you not supposed to eat them? Is it those ones?
No, you get sloes and you use it for sloe gin. Isn't that a hawthorn tree?
I have no idea.
Okay, might not be. Hawthorn might be a type of apple tree. I don't know. I don't study apples. But what I can tell you is I found that to be the sourness salivates your mouth and you've got the sweetness of the apple. That balance, perfect.
Yeah, it's very appley. I would say, not knowing what a hawthorn is, because I'm a dullard, it tastes like apples with a bit of cooling.
I'll have a little vape before I pass it back and you can try it.
It's like, it's a very green apple. That's how I'd describe it.
As before, this range is for the disposable vapor.
100%.
That's looking to swap over to a pod.
Yes.
A more affordable alternative.
Yeah.
What you're going to get with this, some of them have more of a hint of coolness than others.
That one has definitely got some coolant in it.
It's in there.
Yeah.
It's in there. But it's lifting that sweetness. Really nice flavour. Definitely one to try out, especially if you like apples or if you like fruity flavours.
All right. I want to try pineapple ice. Can I try pineapple ice?
Yeah, you try pineapple ice.
Yes, I want to try pineapple ice. And, this is obviously made better by the fact it's in the Vaporesso motorbike device. X-Ross.
Yeah.
X-Ross.
No, cross. Every time you go cross.
X-Ross.
What I should have had was the Deliciu pod device. But, we can't win at every single base, AJ.
What was that called? The Deliciu Mate.
Yeah.
Okay. Super sweet again. super zesty, and a lot more coolant in this one. This is definitely for a new vapor that needs that hit and that sweetness that lifts it up.
So what I've also done is the pods that I've bought are 0.8s.
Okay, yeah, good.
Kind of in that range.
Yes, definitely. Yeah,
0.6, that will manage a 50-50, but it's your crossover pod for a thicker liquid.
Probably a bit too high wattage.
0.8, still super cloudy.
Yeah. What do you go on that pineapple? It's like, it is, oh, wait. This is important. Wow. It's the first time you've done that since you've been back in the country.
Yeah, that's true.
So make you feel good.
So I ringed the ring.
Yeah.
Pineapple ice. Okay, for me, I like a pineapple.
Pick up a pineapple.
Yeah, I like to pick up a pineapple.
Pineapple's my favourite fruit.
However, the iciness in that one is refreshingly cold.
Yeah.
Now, it depends where you like it. You might not like 2 ice cubes.
On the Oppenheimer fridge scale?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely too ice. For me, it's too cold. But I acknowledge that there's people that do love that coldness.
Yeah, so if you like sweet, but it's like drink levels of cold without the sensitive teeth issues.
Basically, they're not messing about when they say, where is it in the lineup? Here it is for you. When they say ice on the box, they're not messing about.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get with e-liquids, they're messing about.
Yeah, is there ice in it? It says ice, you try it, there's no ice.
And then sometimes you get the ones that don't say ice, and there's ice in it. And I'm like,
why didn't
come
you
on,
say ice?
Be nice, show us the ice.
Yeah, I turned up for the ice.
Yeah, it's a catchphrase. Be nice, show us the ice.
That's a good one.
Or you could say it's cool like ice, it's cold to the touch and very, very nice.
It's icy.
Oh, okay, that's got a bit of cooling.
What are you diving into?
The blueberry sour raspberry.
I like it.
Which I'm going to let you into a little secret.
Yeah.
I vaped these before
we
start the video.
No, don't let them into the secret. That's
the secret, okay. I've broken the 4th wall, and I'm looking at you as well, so I'm definitely breaking the 4th wall.
Right, you're really not meant to do that. This is the first time of experiencing them for you.
Yeah.
I tell you about them.
Yes.
Because I've tried them. You haven't tried them.
Yeah.
That's how it should be.
It's my favourite one.
Not yet. Wait till we've tried them all, and then
my favourite one.
So you really like that one, but wait till you've tried all of them. So this one sits with, so the big fans of like the key disposables, the original 600 bars, the elf bars and the blueberries like that.
And so many people, when they start vaping,
go for that super
one.
Sweet flavour. Blueberry really was one of the top sellers in the bars.
And I mean, even basic e-liquids right back at the start. You think 10 years ago when we started vaping, blueberry was like the flavour everyone went for.
Bizarrely, the sour in this isn't as sharp as with the apple hawthorn.
No.
So the blueberry, beautifully sweet.
Yeah.
Sour raspberry, there's not that much sour. The raspberry, yes, it's refreshing.
There's more ice than sour in this one.
Yeah. I like it.
It's well balanced, but yeah, I wish they could have put blueberry, raspberry, ice.
Right, what are you going to go for?
Lemon and lime. I want a lemon and lime. Oh, thanks. Can you let me have a go?
Take it.
It's really nice today. Is it because it's been so long?
You can call me a friend.
Hi, friend. Did you want me to call you? This is an awkward pause. I don't know if you want me to call you a friend now.
How do you feel about lemon and lime?
Now, I love lemon vapes.
Yeah.
And I love this lemon and lime.
Good.
It's very sweet. Very sweet. These all are very sweet. It has to be stressed. There's not as much coolant in this one, which I think is why I like it.
I think what you're getting so far is a clever mix between zestiness with fruit.
Yeah.
So as a theme goes, you're looking for mouthwatering vapes, we're highlighting them.
Yeah, that's
Apart
true.
from the pineapple, which kind of sits out there as fruity and cool.
Yeah, yeah. I really want to try the apple and pear as the last one. That one's...
Grab the pod, AJ, and I shall allow you to dive in.
Thanks, Peter. I can't believe how nice you're being in this video. Normally you're really mean to me.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to AJ SMR.
Oh my God. Now's my chance to come in your ears.
Right, no coming in their ears. Just do the ASMR thing.
This is apple and pear in the Vaporizzo X Ross 4 Nano. Ross 4 Nano. I've popped the pod in. Now let me push the tip until it pops. Oh, how did that feel? satisfying. I know you liked it. Now, finally, I'm going to put your tip in my mouth. Oh. AJSM. Oh, that was AJSMR.
Did it? Why did it?
I think it's the perfect way to round up the E-Liquid review. I don't know how you felt about it.
Kind of like we peaked too soon in this video.
Sometimes it is a problem that people will peak too soon with AJSMR.
Yeah.
It happens.
I can see that. It makes sense. That's been our look at the new flavours from the Deliciu range.
So that's been our look at the new flavours in the Deliciu range, powered by Vape SO.
That's right, AJ. And do you know what? We're at the end of the video.
Yes.
So this bit is all about me. So since you've stayed this long, please give us a like down there. If you're not subscribed, I'd really like it if you could still join us on this crazy journey. You can do that also somewhere around here. Hit the subscribe button. And then we've got merch and stuff like that. If you buy it, that helps put some money back in the pot. In fact,
then maybe you'll do an E-Liquid review again. Because this is supposed to be the last ever one.
There might be, but let's build the pot.
Yeah, build the pot up a little bit more first. They could help even more by joining channel memberships where
that'd be good.
You get a warm, fuzzy feeling in your belly. But before you go,
what's this that? Video? No way! You did definitely check it out.
Yeah,
I like it.
It's mediocre.